Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check if someone is spying on your iPhone in simple steps. Let's get started. Check for unknown device connected to your Apple ID. This is the first thing you should check. For that, go to settings, tap your name, device, tap on devices. Here you will see every devices logged in to your Apple ID. If you see anything you don't recognize, remove it immediately. Just tap the device, remove from account. Second, check for unknown profile. This is the biggest sign. For that, go to settings, tap general, tap VPN and device management. If you see any profile you don't install, tap it and delete it. If you don't see anything here, that's good. Next, check your app. Spy apps hide inside app you don't remember downloading. Scroll through your home screen and your library. If you see something strange or any app you never installed, hold the app and delete app easy. If someone can see your screen remotely, that's a huge red flag. Check it by going to settings, tap on control center, tap screen recording, and make sure nothing is mirroring to a random device. Spy apps run in background and drain battery. Check it by going to settings, scroll down, tap on battery. If you see any unknown app using a lot of power, delete it. This is a sign something wrong. That's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.